Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an online portfolio with Behance easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Visit the Behance website at www.behance.net. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Choose to sign up using your Adobe ID, or enter your email and create a password. Complete the registration process by filling out the required information. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top right. Click on the Edit Profile button to add personal information. Upload a professional profile picture that represents you. Fill in your bio to provide a brief overview of your work and skills. Select or enter your location to help potential clients find you. Now, it's time to create your first project. Click on the Create a Project button on your dashboard. Upload images, videos, or other files related to your project by dragging and dropping them into the upload area. Add text descriptions to each piece of content to explain your work. Utilize the layout tools to arrange your content in an attractive manner. Incorporate any additional elements like color swatches or linked content. Once satisfied with the layout, click on the Next button to move to the project details. Fill in the title for your project, as well as any relevant tags to improve discoverability. Choose the visibility settings for your project, public or private. Preview your project to check that everything looks correct. If everything is in order, click on the Publish button. Explore the Behance community by following other creatives and engaging with their work. Update your portfolio regularly to showcase new projects and skills. Share your Behance profile link on social media or your personal website for broader exposure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.